What's up guys, Clay with EKNIVES.com. Heretic knives, Martyr, automatic. S35VN blade steel. Black DLC blade. Plunge lock. Custom pocket clip. Great action on it. Feels good in the hand too. Ergonomic. Really cool. That's black, so that's black tactical. Got here the commando version. It's got the tiger stripe blade on it. Same aluminum handle, pocket clip. And then this is the really cool breakthrough that they're doing on the Manticore X as well. It's a breakthrough. It's kind of a distressed dual color coating. Really cool looking. This is breakthrough red. They do it in a lot of other colors too. Anyway, action is great on these guys. So this is the Heretic Knives Martyr automatic. It comes in a flipper as well, liner lock. I don't have any of those at the moment. 3-inch blade, about 4.5 inch on the handle. So they feel really good in the hand. Great action. EKNIVES.com. Call or text me 423-525-9477. Thanks guys.